Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal Marie again, and today on Vlogmas Day 16, I want to share this purchase with you. You know we love notebooks on this channel, so yes, we are going to semi-unbox a pink PP by Valentino notebook. I think this is the sketchbook one. And what I will say is this is a different unboxing because you guys know I love a good packaging situation. And this did not come in any fancy packaging. It was in a basic, like, cardboard box, shipping box thing. And then they wrapped it in, I think, some white paper and white tissue paper, and it came in like this. So I'm going to cut it open off camera, and then we are going to get into the details. So I first noticed this sketchbook because This Well Planned Life had posted about it, and she knows that I'm into like high-end notebooks. I usually get the Louis Vuitton notebooks. You guys have seen that. There is a Gucci notebook I need to share with you guys if I haven't already because I can't remember. And so I love collecting notebooks and seeing what the high end like fashion companies are doing with notebooks. So this one is one that I had to have. Plus, I was in the market for a new sketchbook at the time because I had finished all of the other sketchbooks during the year. So this one I might use for 2023, but let's see what the paper looks like and what this situation looks like. So let me take off the plastic and we can get into it. Here's what the back looks like, just in case you want to see that. And yeah, and I love that it's blank because I'm appreciating that a lot more than say the lined ones. And before I get into taking this off camera, here are my nails. If you guys watched Vlogmas Day, I can't remember what day it was, but the day that I showed the Japantown haul, you will notice these are the gel sticky, and they were only $1.50. So I just put them on today, and I'm loving them so far. I will let you know how long they last. And if you hop onto Instagram at the Diva Diaries, you'll see that I posted a picture. And yeah, and so I will let you know how long they last. Okay, loves, I am back and I have taken off the plastic. I will tell you first things first. I love the way this feels. It does feel really, really good. And you guys know that I love the color. It's pink. We love pink around here, obviously, and we love gold, sparkles. So that's kind of our color scheme. I love the way this is feeling so far. Got a little, that might be some of my nail on there, I'm not sure, but got a little glitter on there. It feels beautiful. It's got a good weight to it. And then it's got this magnetic enclosure here. So that feels good. It feels luxe. It feels like it's not going to come apart. And then you've got this ruler here. I like that. That's a great addition. And then you open it up, and here we go. So you've got the big pink Valentino logo here. And then will this come out? Let's see. No, it looks like it is stuck down onto, yeah, it is stuck to this. So it looks like you won't be able to like slide this out and slide another book in when you're finished. It comes with this pencil here, HB Pantone. I love that. There we go. And let's look at the paper. I appreciate that the paper is blank, like I said before, because then I can do whatever I want to it. Let's see. The paper isn't super thick, so this wouldn't be something that I would be using for mixed media. It would just be for maybe sketching with pencil, writing out ideas. When I start really, really using this, I'll do a pen test and then I'll post about that. But yeah, the paper, yeah, I'm not gonna do mixed media with this. I can already tell. And likely my markers will bleed. So this is going to be just for sketching with pencil and, you know, doing some random writings, things like that. I will definitely try out my Villa Beautiful and Simply Gilded pens because I use those the most day to day. So we'll see how that looks. Now, what I could see also doing in here is like doing different layouts with stickers, because I believe the stickers will work in here. It won't be too, the paper is perfect for that, doing like some stickers and journaling. I don't know, I will experiment, but I don't know about watercolor because like I said, the paper doesn't look like it's gonna hold, but all in all, I still think it's a really beautiful notebook. And once I figure out like how I'm going to use it, I will let you guys know. I believe there's like 200, does it say here? Blank pages, 160 pages. So there's 160 pages here. So this will be good for, you know, like I said, random musings and things like that for the year. I'll be using this in 2023, and I will do a full 2023 planner and notebook setup, not setup, but lineup, so that I can show you guys what I'll be using for 2023. But this will definitely be one of the notebooks I'm using. I am excited to explore what I'm going to use it for. And yes, if you have been here for a while, you know that I did have that rule. I was not going to be buying notebooks except for the Louis Vuitton notebook that I collect every year. I had been doing that for years. And obviously this year is different. I have been collecting, I think this year and last year, I've been collecting just the notebooks that I want because they bring me joy. And, you know, when you are going through some things behind the scenes, like you just want to do what you want to do. So I have discontinued that rule that I will not be buying more than one notebook, you know, at a time. So yes. But if you love notebooks, let me know if you guys loved this one. If you got, there were like 2 other notebooks. I think they were half the size, and they had lines, if I'm not mistaken. But I wanted this one because it was more a sketchbook situation, came with the pencil, and I loved the ruler aspect of it. And this ruler is like legit, like hard. So, but if you love notebooks, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you bought into this collab. You know, normally I would link below, but I believe these are sold out. If I find that they are back in stock, I will let you guys know. But love you. Thanks for watching the video. See you on day 17.